Hey, you on the phone. Did you just walk past the Main Choice's new boosting kit? Go back and get it, and I'm going to show you why you need it. So in this kit, there are 4 products. A silk amino acid and keratin reconstructor treatment, a sea kelp and feverfew herb rehydration therapy, a triglyceride and mint scalp renewal, and last but not least, a Mocha and Molasses anti-shedding remedy. Boosting kit is a must-have in your regimen. Think of it as giving your hair an extra boost in your healthy hair journey. It will drastically improve the integrity of your hair and your scalp and put you on the right path for success. So before I shampoo my hair, I'm going to take the Mocha and Molasses anti-shedding remedy and I'm going to apply this to my dry hair. Now lately my hair has been shedding like crazy, so I really want to see if this product lives up to what it says it can do. I'm not going to use too much of this product. It is a 2-ounce container, so I'm trying to, 1, make it last, and 2, just trying to see how much of this product you really need. And you can see the consistency here is really thick and is not moving anywhere. To smell this product, it's actually has like has a nice sweet scent to it. All the products in this kit actually smell really good to me. So now that we're done applying this product, we're going to go ahead and let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. As you can see, this is what my hair looked like before rinsing this out, and once I rinsed it out, my hair felt amazing. Like, detangling was not even a question anymore. And this is all the hair that I actually lost. So after that, I'm just going to go ahead and take the pink lemonade and coconut shampoo and shampoo my hair, and I'm just going to really focus on my scalp. So now I'm going to take the sea kelp and Feverfew herb rehydration therapy and just spray that all over my hair, and then I'm going to massage it into my scalp and then a wide tooth comb to help distribute it. Now this stuff is really good. I really like the smell. Now the sea kelp is supposed to help deliver hydration for your hair and your scalp, while the Feverfew herb helps to prevent hair loss. So after I apply this, I'm going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out with cool water. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and decondition my hair using the 5-minute reviving mask. Now you don't have to use the entire kit all at once. You use it according to whatever your hair is in need of that moment. So now I'm going to take the silk amino acid and keratin reconstructor treatment and I'm going to apply it to my hair and then leave it on for about 20 minutes and rinse it out. Now it's not too harsh on your hair. It actually has a nice protein blend. The amino acids help to rebuild your strands and minimize your moisture loss, while the keratin strengthens and reduces breakage. This is really good for hair that's been damaged from color, chemicals, or even heat. So it helps to strengthen your hair if it's weak and limp, and then it's gentle enough for protein sensitive hair, which I know a lot of people are like, I'm protein sensitive, so if you are, this is definitely something you want to grab. After all that, I'm going to take the triglyceride and mint scalp renewal and apply it to my scalp and then massage it in really well. And this is something that you don't rinse out. So the triglyceride is really good because it helps to nourish, hydrate, and renew your scalp, while the mint purifies, reduces flakes and itching, and balances your pH. And the fatty acids help to penetrate and condition the scalp. This is really good because it's going to help reduce any itching or flaking, which may come from eczema, dandruff, or any other scalp ailments. I'm going to be doing a braid out and I'm going to use the curl boosting sherbet from the pink lemonade collection. As you can see, I've already done half of my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and just finish braiding the other half, and then I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and then I'm going to sleep on it overnight and come back tomorrow to show you my final results. And all these products are actually 2 ounces, so these are perfect for traveling. You don't have to worry about TSA throwing away your main choice, because we all know that's not a good feeling. And here are my final results. I'm so in love with them. The definition on this braid out is crazy. I've actually never used a sherbet to do a braid out for my hair, but I only use it for twist outs. So this is a nice turnout. Now this kit will be available in select Walgreens, so make sure to go to www.themainchoice.com to go to the stores locator to find a Walgreens near you. It's time to take your hair to the next level. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.